Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 14ALC05. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, it's likely because your Lenovo Ideapad 14ALC05 has a cracked screen and the touch functionality is not working. This is a common issue that can occur due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, making it more difficult and costly to fix later on. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a new screen replacement, a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, and some tweezers. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, flip it over and locate the screws holding the back cover in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry the back cover off, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, the damaged screen is connected to the motherboard. Locate the screen connector. It's usually a flat, ribbon-like cable. Disconnect it gently by lifting the connector latch. Now, you can remove the screen itself. Depending on the model, there might be a few screws securing it in place. Use your screwdriver to take these out and carefully lift the screen away from the laptop. When you have the new screen, align it with the hinge and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling, it's wise to test the new screen. Power on the laptop and check that the display is functioning and that the touch features are working correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you're satisfied that everything is functioning, gently place the back cover back on and reinsert the screws to secure it. Tighten them just enough to hold the cover in place without overdoing it. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a sturdy case or screen protector for your laptop. Avoid placing heavy items on top of your device, and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.